Hi guys, how to dock and undock in Premiere Pro. Let me show you the version. Premiere Pro 2026. In this version there is a problem. If we play our video, see the playhead of the timeline is not moving. To fix it, we need to undock the timeline. So for that, go to the top left of the panel, click on this button. From here select Undock. Now if we try it again, see the problem fixed. Now to put the panel back to its original position, just left click, hold on the name of the panel, then just drag and place it where you like. And that's it. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.